Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Bottega and their limoncello.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
All right, look at this cool bottle. Once again, I do love my exciting, cool bottles. Look at this thing. This is a sexy little bitch. It's the Bottega Limoncino. It's got a cool lemon on it. It looks like nice, sexy, thin lines. It's a beautiful bottle. All right, because I'm a sucker for a bottle. All right, so this is they've been around since 1635. They were tenant farmers to the Counts of Collalto before making grappa and liqueurs, and eventually won their freedom and had their own land. In the hills near Molinetto della Croda, Refrontolo. I can't speak Italian. I have no idea that's and I also don't care. All right, in the 20s, Domenico became, which is one of the Bottega families there, and became a wine trader and could identify the best grapes in the vineyards. That started to be the gift of this family. They are really good at the vintages. All right, in the 50s and 60s, his son started making more grappa, and they also made the very first grappa that's a monovarietal. So I think that's kind of a neat thing to do. Like I started combining grapes, would be my guess.
Yeah.
And then in 77, he opened up a distillery in the Pianzano di Godega, which is another word I can't pronounce, but hey, whatever. And then 83, his son started making the alcohol content less in the grappa, and apparently their sales went up because it made it much softer and easier to drink, which I think is very interesting. All right, but the big difference is when they went to this bottle in 1987, this sexy bitch, sales went through the roof. Why, I don't know. I guess because the bottle's sexy. That's all I can come up with. But that's what happened. In 2007, they built a new distillery because they have outgrown that one they currently had. It's now 50 kilometers from Venice, and it's in a 17th century farmhouse with 10 hectares of vineyards. So that's a large area. Yeah, and they also opened their very first prosecco bar in 2014 on a Viking line ship up in one of the cruise ships up in the Scandinavia. All right, so this is 30%. It is made up with Sicilian lemons and grappa, made with an infusion of the lemon peels. They sort of thin grain, and then they're cut off, and they cut away. The lemon's this specific type of lemon is very fertile and flowers all year long. They're picked at the peak of ripeness, washed, and peeled by hand. Then they remove the white bitter part and only leave the essential oils of the lemons themselves. Then they actually infuse the peels with alcohol for 30 days. Then they separate the liquid and the peels out from each other. Then they add sugar and grappa and add it to it. It's made in Veneto and Sicily. It's best served at negative 18 degrees Celsius. That's freaking cold. I don't remember going to get anything that cold. So they must have some special freezers, I guess. I can't get it that cold. It's impossible at my house. But hey, it's pretty cool though. So it's usually served as an aperitif or an after-dinner drink. It's best served with ice cream, sorbets, or fresh fruit salads. It's cocktails with the Polenta and the Love and the Botega Spritz. So let's see here what we think of here.
It's been a long time.
Lemon, so much lemon.
It smells like lemon and fragrances.
Yep. And that
smells like limoncello. Shocker.
That bottle looks like a really big cologne bottle. You know?
Yeah. But ladies' perfume would be more my thing, but it's also...
I'm not getting...
Lemon.
Yeah, I'm not getting really anything past lemon.
Yeah, lots of lemon.
Lemon.
Like just a little bit of sugary fragrance. That's all I get.
Yeah, it's almost lemon pledgy.
Yeah.
But not often like Malort.
No. Yeah, this smells really nice. Like I think that's just like that frozen level. And I bet it's delicious at negative 18. I'm sure over ice this is great, but man, I really wish I could get something that cold.
All right.
Yeah, it's not too shabby.
It's not nearly as sweet.
It's not overly sweet, and it's not overly lemon.
Nice.
Like
pretty good.
When you think limoncello and a lemon liqueur, you're thinking like, wow, lemon.
Yeah,
but it's not that
lemonade kind of sweetness.
Yeah,
this is not
like
that
bitter. You got that, lemon pucker.
Yeah,
a little bit like a really light amount of sugar, and this almost like a weak lemonade.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Once again, this is a donation from my sister-in-law, Shauna Zitrick. So thanks again for some more awesome liqueurs. Yeah, she gave us a whole box, so I'm thrilled.
Nice.
It's very, very lemon, and it's not nearly as sweet.
No, I'm shocked this is not sweet. It's really not.
It's very drinkable though.
Yeah.
It's not bitter. It's not overly bitter either.
No, but it's friendly drinkable.
Yeah.
I think this could really sneak up on you quick though. At 30%.
I'd like to have this on like a snow cone.
Oh, dude, this would be awesome. Speaking of snow cones, when we can get that with Kona Ice, we get to film that. Like I said, that's already signed off on. Then stupid COVID, but hey,
Yep. Yep.
We're excited for that one.
I
could definitely see this as a topper for a snow cone.
Oh, this is shockingly really good.
Yeah. Or even like a vanilla gelato and put it on that.
Yeah, I think that'd be good.
I don't think it needs to be. It can't be regular ice cream. It has to be like gelato.
I'd almost go to like Sonic and get one of those ocean waters and mix some of this in there. It'd be really good.
I want to brew up some hot tea. I'm gonna have some hot tea later on and
good idea.
Add the lemon ding.
Yeah,
those are really good. This is quite nice.
Yeah, it's kind of refreshing.
Oh yeah, over a summer day, cracked ice. Ooh, this would be delicious.
Dangerously
I ain't mad about this one, Matt.
Pretty good.
Thank you, Shauna. Appreciate you.
Yep, appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yes, indeed. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.
Cheers.